care of some stuff for them. So. Excellent. I appreciate it, buddy. All right, I'll see you in the morning. Bye.
Why are you running around in your diaper? What are you doing? That's the doggy stuff. No, ma'am. Thank you. He just fed the dogs.
Did she really?
Yeah. I like your ensemble, honey. You look really good in one sock and just a diaper. Sydney, the dogs need biscuits too? Is that your job to take care of the dogs? Say sit, Bailey. Does Tim want one? Does Tim want one? Put it back. Does Tim want one?
Well, it wasn't my best meal, but it was okay.
It's pretty good. There you go.
You and Tim buddies now?
Oh.
Yeah, you and Tim are buddies again?
Making sure the doggies have food. You're so good. La 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 la. This is hilarious. Oh, you want to see? See what I'm looking at? See the Tim? Oh. And now it's you! Make sure Tim will get it. Give it to Timmy. He can't see. Oh, you're so good. See? See, Tim? Alright, say bye-bye. She wants to see herself.
Play it for her.
Well, I'm filming her. This is hilarious. I'm just going to fatten Tim up. All the weight I've helped him lose. Oh, the long diet he's doing. That's right. That's so good. All right. Sydney, say bye. Sydney, can you say bye? Oh, so Bailey gets to leave. Hey, Sydney, can you say bye? Bye. All right. We're here.